Imagine this. You have $1,000 in your pocket, earned by you. Not a gift, not a loan. You put in the hours, the sweat, and the effort. Your hard work, your money. Amazing, right? Think about the sense of accomplishment, the pride that comes with knowing you did it all on your own. Now imagine earning it in just 8 days. Impossible? Not at all. Teens across the globe are proving it every day. They are breaking barriers and setting new standards. They are turning their passions, skills, and even their bedrooms into money-making machines. From crafting to coding, from tutoring to trading, the possibilities are endless. Forget allowances. They are building empires, one hustle at a time. Each small step they take is a giant leap towards their future. Why? Because they know the power of financial freedom. They understand that money is not just currency. It's a tool that can shape their destiny. It's about more than just money. It's about control, independence, and the ability to pursue your dreams. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your passions and values. Whether it's a new phone, a college fund, or that dream vacation, $1,000 can be a game changer. It can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. But the real magic happens on the journey. You learn, you grow, you become unstoppable. Every challenge you face, every obstacle you overcome, adds to your strength and resilience. Along the way, you meet like-minded individuals, build networks, and collaborate with peers who share your vision. These connections can be invaluable, providing support, inspiration, and new opportunities. You also get the chance to explore new skills and attend workshops that can further enhance your abilities. Continuous learning becomes a part of your lifestyle, keeping you ahead of the curve. Balancing work and life becomes an art you master. You find time for your hobbies, your friends, and your family, all while pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams. Reflecting on your journey, you realize that the $1,000 was just the beginning. The real treasure lies in the experiences, the lessons learned, and the person you have become. With a bright future ahead, you are ready to conquer the world, armed with knowledge, experience, and 1,000 reasons why you can succeed. Nothing can hold you back. And as you continue to grow, you inspire others to follow in your footsteps. You become a beacon of hope and a leader by example, showing that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. So, celebrate your success, but also look forward to new challenges. Each one is an opportunity to learn, grow, and achieve even greater heights. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. The internet is your oyster. It's a goldmine of opportunities for teens with hustle. One popular option, online surveys. Companies pay for your opinions. Share your thoughts, earn cash. Simple. Another lucrative avenue is content creation. Love gaming? Start a YouTube channel or stream on Twitch. Good with words? Freelance writing is booming. From blog posts to social media captions, the possibilities are endless. Got a knack for design? Offer your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Logos, social media posts, website banners, businesses need it all. Remember, consistency is key in the digital world. Show up every day, deliver quality, and watch your earnings soar. The internet is a vast marketplace. Find your niche and dominate. Remember that old guitar in your attic or those sneakers you never wear? They could be your ticket to quick cash. Buying and selling or flipping is a classic teen hustle. Scour thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces for hidden gems. A little cleaning, a little research, and you can resell them for a profit. The key is to specialize. Focus on a niche. Vintage clothing, sneakers, electronics, or whatever excites you. Become an expert. Know the market value. Negotiate like a pro. Remember, one person's trash is another's treasure. So, put on your entrepreneurial hat and start flipping your way to financial freedom. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, a coding guru? Your knowledge is valuable. Share it with the world and get paid. Online tutoring is a booming industry. Platforms like Schooly and TutorMe connect you with students of all ages. Create and sell online courses. Share your expertise on anything from photography to coding. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to package and sell your knowledge. Don't underestimate the power of your skills. You have something unique to offer. Package it right, market it well, and watch the students and the money roll in. The service industry is always hiring, and the best part, many jobs require no prior experience. Dog walking, pet sitting, babysitting. These classic gigs are perfect for teens. Love being outdoors, offer lawn care services, good with your hands, try furniture assembly or handyman tasks. Get creative. The key is to be reliable, trustworthy, and provide excellent service. Word of mouth is powerful. Happy clients lead to more business. Remember, hard work pays off. So, roll up your sleeves, put in the effort, and watch your bank account grow. Think outside the digital box. Your neighborhood is full of offline opportunities. Organize a neighborhood car wash. Offer to do yard work for elderly neighbors. Get crafty and sell your creations at local markets. Summertime, become a lifeguard or camp counselor. Love kids? Offer babysitting services. The possibilities are endless. Remember, success leaves clues. Observe your surroundings. Identify needs and offer solutions. Be proactive, be creative, be the go-to person in your community. Here's the secret sauce: consistency. The most successful teen entrepreneurs are not overnight sensations. They are hustlers who show up every day, rain or shine. Treat your side hustle like a business. Set goals, track your progress, and celebrate your wins. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different hustles. Find what you love and what works best for you. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Success takes time, effort, and dedication. But with each dollar you earn, you're not just building a bank account. You're building an empire. You've got the ideas, the motivation, and the power to make it happen. No more excuses, no more waiting for the right time. The time is now. Start small. Pick one hustle that excites you. Commit to it. Give it your all. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve in just 8 days. Need more inspiration, tips, and tricks? Follow me for more advice. Let's build empires together, one hustle at a time.